guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add two video transitions on CapCut PC, like on two clips, like in between them. So you usually can only add one, but if you go to transitions here and for instance you add in this video transition and you want to add another one, you can absolutely do that. Just remember where the middle is at. I suggest you putting the line here, select both, right click, create compound clip, and your line will still be in the middle of those both video transitions. Then you're going to split it again so that you can add in another video transition. For instance, you want to also add in this bubble blur. Just add it to the video and you'll have the pull in as well as a bubble blur video transition in the middle of these clips. And that's basically it. Super simple actually, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!